Welcome to our channel, where we explore ways to make a positive impact through monthly donations. In this video, we'll discuss how you can maximize your impact by giving or collecting donations on a monthly basis. We'll also share some fast and easy methods to streamline the process. Monthly donations are a powerful way to support causes you care about consistently. Let's dive into why it's essential and how you can get started. Firstly, monthly donations provide stability to organizations, enabling them to plan for the long term. By committing to give regularly, you become a reliable source of support, helping organizations implement sustainable projects and make a lasting difference. For individuals, monthly donations offer convenience and flexibility. Instead of giving a large sum all at once, you can contribute smaller amounts regularly, making giving more affordable and manageable. Now, let's explore some fast and easy methods to give or collect donations on a monthly basis. These strategies will save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on the impact you're making. Firstly, consider using donation apps and platforms. These user-friendly tools enable you to set up recurring monthly donations with just a few taps, ensuring a hassle-free and efficient giving experience. Secondly, organize fundraising events or campaigns that encourage monthly giving. By highlighting the benefits of recurring donations and creating a sense of community, you can inspire others to join you in making a long-term impact. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of spreading awareness. Share your monthly giving journey on social media, create content, and engage with others. Your enthusiasm can inspire and motivate others to start their own monthly donation efforts. Remember, by committing to monthly donations, you're making a meaningful and sustained impact. Together, we can create a better world. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who want to make a difference.